Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Grandmaster?
Yes, thank you so much.
이렇게
Okay.
It's a great honor to be here as a visiting first time with between Korea and Fiji. Hoshinsul as an martial art exchange program start together. This is first step, move forward, start as a martial art training as a Hoshinsul between Korea government level and Fiji government level. It's only starting, but from now on, not only for Hoshinsul training, but also for any kind of things gonna be developing in the future, forever. For whole martial art training, include Hoshinsul and Hapkido and everything, please, Prime Minister, give them a full support further. Fiji.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Grandmaster. Thank you for coming over to Fiji and extending the training that you have in Korea here in Fiji. As you know, we started Hapkido training a few years back. What I wanted to do was have everyone in the military go through Hapkido training. That's now spread throughout the security forces. The police and the correctional services are now doing Hapkido training. But in addition to that, we would like to take on board seriously taekwondo, not only for martial arts training, but also for our sports in the region. So we can participate in the regional sports through taekwondo. So thank you very much for coming over and extending the knowledge that our people already have with regards to sports.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Grandmaster. Thank you, Grandmaster.
Thank you. For Prime Minister.
For me?
Yes, yes, sir.